Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Information Zulu here with another video with another VR walk around, this time of the Pmdg 737-700. So this is what, only a month or so old, and I've been just dying to check out my VR headset with its view. So I'm just gonna do a quick walk around and show you the amazing detail that is in this aircraft that you can buy. Let's see, let's check out the engine first. I think you can tell, like, this engine is so much lower to the ground than the A320. The center axis of the fan is almost at eye level, and I think the scale is right. That's why it has a flat bottom to the engine cowling. Anyway, this is a beautiful looking fan. Hopefully we can do another video where we do an engine startup. There's a passenger cabin. You can see through the windows. Actually, the little lights and air conditioning units inside the cabin. Let's see if we walk down here. This is the side of the engine. Here's the main landing gear. Look at the detail it's been modeled to. You've got all the hydraulics linked up. The texture on the tires is really cool. Wait a minute. Let's look inside the bay. Look at this gear. Everything's modeled so intricately. Like, you'd never see this when you're flying the plane. I don't know if like 90% of people operating this model in the sim will ever look inside the landing gear bay. That's incredible. Look at all that. Okay. Let's see, I'm not trying to trip over my furniture. We've got all the brake pistons. Those are really cool. I mean, everything looks like it's modeled to all mechanically work correctly. And here's the back of the engine. CFM56, I think. Sorry, just off the top of my head. The pylon is cool. Also, the reflections and shading on the pylon is cool. And then the underside of the wing, it's all the rivet details being painted in the textures. And there's fairings and tracks. Amazing looking. Let's have a look. That is incredible. And then let's have a look at the tail. Wow. Onto the plane. Let's see if I can go all the way around. Whoa! I'm actually using the entire length of my my house to get around this, but I'm glad the 737 fits inside my house mostly. I can't get any further than that. I'm going to hit the wall. These wheels are really cool. Absolutely modeled down to the last detail. Look at the all the heat distressing and patterning on the back of the engine. Alright, let's try and crawl back underneath. There we have it. That is the Pmdg 737-700. I can't wait to start flying this thing in VR. But I thoroughly recommend it. Microsoft Flight Simulator has really sent us light years ahead where we were. Alright, well, if you want to see more videos like this, or you want to see a different view, let me know in the comments below. And like or subscribe to the video if you want to help me out. Thanks for watching. Bye.